Hello guys, today I am uploading a dictation of common words at the speed of 85 words per minute. The dictation will start after a pause of 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, we are discussing a very important bill. Stop. When we are discussing the bill, we should devote all our attention on the economic effects of this bill to this country. Stop. The original idea of an Industries Development and Regulation Act was all right to a certain extent. Stop. But I am afraid the same cannot be said of this amending bill, which is giving too much power to the government to interfere in industry. Stop. I think that the economic experts know only two types of economy, either the nationalized industrial economy, or a capitalist economy with big failure of administration. Stop. There is no halfway house. Stop. I find that this Industries Development and Regulation Act is entering into a very difficult field. Stop. It is almost an uncharted sea, and we are undertaking regulation which, instead of benefiting our economy, may rather run it. Stop. In a capitalist economy, it is the rule of the survival of the fittest. Stop. It is quality and price structure that determines the success of any business. Stop. If the management is bad, the business goes down. Stop. The shareholders keep a watch on it. Stop. On the other hand, in a nationalized industry, in a planned economy, the government thinks of the total requirements of the country as to how many industries are required to produce any particular goods, and whether the industries are spread out properly in the various parts of the country, having regard to the raw material easily available. Stop. But in this bill, we are not following either of the two economics. Stop. We are imposing some sort of regulation on the industries as they exist at present. Stop. Therefore, I submit that this type of regulation, instead of saving our economy, will surely go against any kind of progress. Stop. We generally follow what is done in England, so after an interval of few years, there was a similar Industries Development and Regulation Act in Britain, and therefore we must also have a similar law in our country. If we look into their experience of the working of this act, what do we find? Question mark. Out of the 4 development councils set up in Britain, only one was successful. Sir, the Honorable Minister in charge of the bill has made it quite clear that this bill is virtually an integration of two other enactments that existed before. Therefore, has not been any basic departure from the policy laid down by the predecessors, and such bill cannot offer any substantial remedy. Stop. Now the tea industry is a very important industry from whatever angle you may judge it. Stop. If you look at our export trade, this accounts for a large part of our foreign earning. Stop. If you look at our labor, tea industry counts for a million of labor. Stop. If you look at it from the point of view of our national health, it also accounts for a substantial portion of our national wealth. Stop. Now, tea industry, as has been pointed out by the previous speaker here, is under the domination of the British, and this fact has also been accepted by my honorable friend on the other side of the house who just finished his speech. Stop. Now, one has to follow the logic of one's argument. Stop. The tea industry has been deliberately kept in the hands of the British, and they have not shown any intention whatsoever to help the Indian interests. Stop. You know it very well that here we have Indian interests on the one hand and the British interests on the other. Stop. The point about such interest should not be dismissed in that cynical fashion in which it has been dispensed by the honorable minister. Stop. Now, at times we find he becomes somewhat eloquent in speeches and uses certain bitter terms against the British. Stop. It may be necessary for a minister to do so because, after all, one has to return to the House of People and the tenure is only 5 years and 1 year is gone already. Stop. But we would like the honorable minister also to balance his words by some action. Stop. After all the ounce of action, it is better than a ton of praises and speeches. Stop. एक लाइन रह गई, दो